Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to replace the battery for a car battery monitor device, specifically the Ancel BM200 Pro. The symptom is it won't power on, it needs to be plugged into the charger constantly. The equipment we'll be using to disassemble this device includes a small Phillips head screwdriver and also a thin plastic card to help us pry off the rubber trim. To get started, we'll need to find something quite thin, like a cutter's tip or perhaps a bank card can also be utilized to carefully remove the rubber cover that conceals the screw openings. Then we'll take a screwdriver and proceed to loosen the screws in all 4 holes, then carefully remove the nuts. As you can see in the video, there are 4 screw holes located on the underside of the device. Then we'll carefully open it by lifting the top part, revealing the interior. Inside you'll find the device's main circuit board, the battery, and also the solar panel. Then slowly and carefully, using the tip of your fingernail, gently pry out the PH 2.0 connector in order to remove the battery. After that, you'll see the battery is swollen and has deteriorated. The battery size number will be indicated on the battery itself. The battery uses size number 603040. The PH 2.0 connector head in this image is the new unit I recently purchased. It can be used as a direct replacement even if it has slightly less power. Next, take the brand new battery that you've purchased and carefully insert it into the battery compartment exactly as it was before. Then reconnect the connector back to the battery's receiving terminal on the main circuit board. After that, you will immediately notice the device powering on with its indicator light showing the active power status. Try pressing the operating button to check if it functions. If the light comes on, you'll notice the light is indeed on. You can press to turn it on or off, adjust settings. Everything works completely as usual. This particular issue, however, is actually caused by a degraded battery. When we replaced the new battery, the symptom disappeared. Then we began the process of reassembling the machine back to its original condition. First, take the top cover and carefully align it with the main body of the device. Ensure that it properly engages with the locking mechanism located around the display screen of the Ancel BM200 unit. Following this, insert a screw into each of the 4 designated slots. Then proceed to tighten all of them carefully. Tighten gently, just until it feels snug, with enough tension to prevent stripping the screw. Then carefully align and check the side edges to see if they are perfectly sealed and flush. Then reattach the adhesive cover back in place to conceal the screw holes just like it was originally. So now your Ancel BM200 Pro is back to working just like it used to. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button to encourage me. I'll be releasing more useful and interesting videos regularly. Thank you very much.